to our channel and Sandcastle Tip of the Day. Today's Sandcastle Tip of the Day, we're going to share with you how we use drones to capture our sand sculptures. This one's going to be fun. Let's get right to it. We're using a DJI Mavic Mini drone. I think they go for about $350, $400. And my iPhone hooks into this, and it's really easy to fly. And I'm really going to cover 2 or 3 different kinds of shots today. The drone captures that we're going to share with you in this video today, the 3 main ways I like to cover these is what I call a reveal, where I have the drone quite low and I just take it off straight up and just let it reveal what's going on in the horizon. The second one we're going to cover is the rocket, where I have it directly above me and then I just go straight up really quite quickly. That's a fun one that also reveals the surrounding, and it gives you a good kind of top plan view look at your sand sculpture. The third one is what I call the hover. And I call it a hover because I'll set this drone up hovering maybe 10, 15, 20 feet above my sculpture, and I'll just let it sit there recording. It's got roughly 30 minutes of fly time, and I take that recorded image and I'll use a time lapse. I'll speed it up in post-production, and it's fun to just kind of watch the sand fall away in a time lapse manner where I've sped it up like 8, 9, 10 times. So it's all interesting ways to try to capture these sand sculptures in a unique way, and that's when we use our drones. We're not going to go into a lot of detail on how to fly the drones or the way these drones work specifically, because there's so much wonderful content out there on the internet for this drone in particular, and other drones that are similar to it, that I don't want to profess myself to be a drone master. I'm just going to share with you how we use these in sand sculpture for now. And I consider myself kind of a drone-y newbie, but this should be fun. Let's see where this goes. If you like today's video on how we use drones to capture our sand sculptures, smash the like button, subscribe, so you don't miss another tip from Sandcastle Tip of the Day. We'll see you soon. Bye.